If you want to add a calling card to a contact on a Google Pixel 11, you want to go to the phone app. Now over here, you want to go to the contacts list, so you can either tap on the view contacts in here on the right side, or tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to contacts. Now we're going to choose the contact for which we want to set up the calling card. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And you might even see this prompt, try adding a calling card. So if you tap on here, then you will immediately begin the setup, but you can also tap on this pen in the upper right corner. And here we have the calling card. So you can tap on this section, and then we should be able to find one of these couple of options that we're going to choose. So you can, for example, open the camera, take a picture right now, and then it's going to be set as a calling card. You can also open the gallery and choose a photo from there, or you can use Google Photos. In my case, I'm just going to open the gallery, and let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here, and we can tap on Done. You should still be able to adjust the picture, so we should be able to move it left, right, up, and down. You can zoom in and zoom out as well. You also have a couple of different fonts to choose from, so if you want to, you can change the font for that contact. You can change the color of the font as well. And once you are done, just tap on the Done in the upper right corner. You can also use the contact picture, to set the contact picture the same as the calling card, so you can use the same picture and set it up, so you can confirm and crop, or you can just skip it if you don't want to do that. And of course, remember to tap on the save in the upper right corner to actually save your changes. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.